Hey folks, got a big old trailer for you to check out today, and if you like big fifth wheels, well, here you go. This is a 2017 KZ Durango Gold. It is the G380FLF model by KZ. Just a cool looking trailer, to tell you the truth. It's got 5 slides. Now this trailer is located in Denver, Colorado. My name is Eric and I'm helping the owners with marketing this trailer. I'm a consignment dealer up here, but this is a private sale. I just do the advertising and handle inquiries for my clients and make sure dealers get all the information that they're looking for, so there's no surprises when they come to look at a unit that I'm advertising. So I'm going to try to cover as much as I can in this video as fast as I can. Real quick, it's got brand new 150 amp hour AGM batteries that were just installed. It does have I think it's about 120 watt solar panel that's up on the roof. Now I've got a bunch of pictures of this coach on my website. I've got 100 of them at nextstepprosales.com. So I'd appreciate if you check out this whole video and check out the pictures, and please read the ad. We get very detailed in the ads also. And give me a call at 720-660-3062. Showings are by appointment only. So you got to give me a call. This is not on a showroom lot. This is up here in Arvada on the west side of Denver in a storage facility. So it's not on a showroom lot. So give me a call again, 720-660-3062. There's again a bunch more pictures on my website, nextstepprosales.com. All right, some of the facts of this coach. It is 40 feet 6 inches in length. It's got two 15,000 BTU ACs, and to the top of those from the ground, the height is 13 feet. Interior height is 6'4", and we'll go in just a minute. It does have 67 gallons of fresh water, 97 gallons of gray, 57 of black. It does have a black tank flush. It's got two 30-pound LP tanks, and the dry weight on this is around 12,600 pounds. But you can carry about 2,100 pounds in it. Now, this is a back entry door, and this is when the slides are in, this is the way you get to the bathroom. And the bed, well, you can't get into the bedroom or the kitchen. You just get into the bathroom from back here. Now, the tires on this coach are a little old. They're 2016s, and they're going to need to be replaced. It does have a back bumper rack, bike rack, or whatever you want to store there. Backup camera, and 19-foot power awning. Outside speakers, and you got a TV that's on a swing arm, and then here's a refrigerator right here. Again, those are pictures on my website. But for 2017, this thing's in really good shape. Now you got pass-through storage right here, goes all the way to the other side. And they left some chairs in here and some hoses and cables. There's your power system or electrical system, so you got access there. That's a power leveling system, hydraulic. I think, excuse me, electric. No, it is hydraulic. There is a hydraulics. 50 amp shore power, big old cord there with a 30 amp adapter. You got, there's your 30-pound propane tanks. Here's your dump station over here. And this is your 50 amp shore power hookup. Now, the water heater cover is gone. So that's going to need to be replaced. But overall, I tell you, you got to check out the pictures of the roof. The roof's in great shape. So for a 2017, I would definitely put this up there. I've seen a lot worse for coaches that are this age. Awning could use a little power wash, but let's go inside. What's neat about this floor plan is they got this upper living room area. And with the two slides there, you can see how much that opens up. Now both these sofas fold out and make into a sleeper. And then these recliners also got the upgraded double recliners. Big 50-inch TV, fireplace down there. And I think they got the theater sound, yeah, JBL sound box up there. But just real quick, here's the kitchen area. Now it does have a 4-chair dinette table. So there's a leaf that'll go on that table and extend out. Table shows a little wear. But boy, one thing that got me was this pantry storage area. This is huge. It's got central vacuum on here too. And ducted heat system. You got a nice 3-burner stove with an oven. Not a convection microwave, but a regular big microwave. And then double stainless steel sinks. Again, more storage. And look at this refrigerator. 4-door. Now this does run on electric and propane. You see the little butt right there. No ice maker, but huge. Floor looks great. The carpet looks like it's in real good shape. Now the owners tell me everything works on it perfectly. Like I said, you got an oven right here. And they've kept it nice and clean. So you got the walkway here, and then here's the bathroom. And what's neat about this bathroom is this shower. If you notice, there's all kinds of headroom in here. So sometimes showers in trailers can be a little tight, but this one goes all the way up there to that skylight. So a lot to check out here. Don't worry, they're not coming for me. King size bed. And look at this. All this storage that's up underneath there. You got a big closet right here. Now it is pre-plumbed for a washer and dryer. So if you wanted to put a washer stacker, washer dryer in here, it could fit real easy. Now this TV is a little banged up. So it's probably going to need to be replaced. I don't think it's working. Again, carpet looks really good. Full walk-around bed, but a king-size bed. Now again, this trailer is located in Denver, Colorado. Bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. And again, showings are by appointment. So please give me a call at 720-660-3062. If you're looking for financing and you're in Colorado, check out Credit Union of Denver. They've got their own RV department and they will do older coaches, but they've helped a bunch of my customers with some really good loans through the years. They do a good job. The outside TV was 25 inches, so just to let you know. Now again, these tires are a little old, so it's probably going to need new tires, but brand new batteries and really good batteries. Again, two 15,000 BTU AC units. The slides and the electrical came out excellent. They ran perfectly. But a good looking 2017 KZ Durango Gold located in Denver, Colorado. Again, call me at 720-660-3062 and hopefully we'll see you here in Denver. Thanks for watching.